So basically, so we are starting with the project system. Okay, this is a project system. What called training.
Okay.
Date is 18 6 24 25 and 30. So basically, so what is project system? What is project system? Meanwhile, first let me show you some basics of SAP. Before that, let me take some basics of SAP. Okay,
Okay.
so basics of SAP. So previously, presently also there are people using SAP ECC. Okay, ECC is the older version. Okay,
Okay.
ERP central component. Okay, SAP ECC. Now we have SAP S4 HANA. Okay,
Okay.
S4 HANA, that is a new version. In this we have, in case of this we have S4 HANA on premise, and then we have cloud, both as private, public cloud and private cloud. Public cloud and private
Private.
cloud. Okay, okay. So these are all these two. So latest version is what?
25.
2023. This is the latest version. Okay.
Okay. Latest version is 23. Okay. So 24 is also there, right?
It is not there. So they will take time actually. They will take time to
Okay.
release. Latest available version is 240, released in October 2000. Okay. 23. The latest version is 2023 FPS. Okay. 23 is there now. Okay. Understanding what I'm telling you? So latest
Yes, yes,
version
bro.
is for
I'm
HANA
understand.
is 2023.
2023. Okay.
So basically, so we have certain basic in this. Okay. So
Okay.
let me shift on to SAP screen. I'll show you what it is. Okay. This is an SAP home screen. Okay.
Okay.
It's an SAP home screen. So where you can see the what called menu tab and
Transit.
these things.
Yeah.
Basically, whenever we want, I will tell you what all is required. So this is the place where we will enter the transaction code. We call transaction code. Okay.
Transaction.
Now what happens? How many screens will open like this? We can
6.
open 6 screens. Okay.
Yeah.
So more than six we cannot open. Okay.
Yes.
If I am using this one, and if I am trying to see, I have the main transaction called CJ20N. If I click on this, this is the screen, project builder screen. Okay, this is involved
Okay.
mainly main screen for our project system training. Okay, this is the main
Okay.
transaction code. Okay, so
For
whenever
project builder.
project builder is the main transaction, CJ20 as the main transaction in project system. Okay,
Okay.
now what happens? Now this is a screen. Now I have to close this screen. Okay, either I can go back
Exit.
and it will close. Okay,
Okay.
now what I'll try to do is open once again CJ20N. Now I have to open a new screen, closing the screen. Okay, so if that
Hmm.
is the case, every time I have to type /n. Okay,
Hmm.
/n, then I can go for any other transaction.
Hmm.
Okay,
Within
like
the same transaction, we
it will,
can enter.
this will close and that will open.
That will open. Yeah.
Yeah, like if I'm talking about CJ30 budget, see here that gets closed. This will get open. Okay, understanding what I'm telling you? The transaction got closed and CJ30 budget got opened. Okay, now CJ30N.
Bro, could you please once again explain the actually
Yes,
power
yes,
gone?
sure,
So
sure. See now what happens? CJ30 is there. Now let me open one screen. So
okay.
CJ30, any company code is there. Let me click on this and click on OK. Okay. Now there is one. This is one screen. Okay. Now we have executed this screen. If you click this, you can see this transaction of CJ30 transaction.
Yeah. Okay.
Now I am in this screen. Okay. Now what I'll
Hmm.
do? I want to open one more screen, new screen, uh, from this transaction. Okay. Now let's see. Let me close these things. Mm,
Okay.
What I'll do, CJ20N only I'll open. Okay.
Okay.
CJ20N I'll open. Okay. Now what happens? I want to keep this screen as it is. Okay. Now I want
Okay.
to keep this screen as it is, and I have to open one more screen. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'll do, I can go and click here. If I
Yeah,
click
okay.
here,
That
it
is
will create a new session.
new
Keeping
section.
this screen will not be closed. Okay.
Okay.
If I click
This screen
here,
also in active mode, and we can open the new
it is
one.
open, and the previous screen
That
is
is
also open. Okay.
open. Yeah. Okay.
Previous screen is this, and the new screen is this. Okay. Now what happens? I will close the. If you want, keep it as it is. Or now I want to open a new screen, or I open a new screen by closing this screen, or I want to open a
Mm.
transaction from here. You can go for you can close this and open any other screen if you want. Like if I go for CJ40
Slash.
slash n, if I do that gets closed and you don't have that screen.
Okay.
Understanding what I'm telling you?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So basically, so and also if you don't want to click here, you can type slash o CJ20N. Now slash o will help in creating a new session, same as it is, same like this.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Same like this, the slash o works. If I click on
Mm-hmm.
this, what happens? CJ20N is also there. CJ20N is also open. Cost planning is also there.
Okay.
Understanding what I'm telling you? So when I put
Yes. Yes.
slash o, it works same as this tab.
Same as this new session. So
Yeah.
it will open.
When I click on slash n, that will close and open a
That
new
will
session.
close and it will open the new session.
Okay, now this is one thing. Okay. Now, now, okay. Now, why? Now, this is the basics of project system. Now, what is project system? Okay. So basically, what happens now? Big construction or commercial buildings. Commercial buildings. Consider a commercial building. Okay.
Okay.
And this module is mainly dependent on this. Mainly module is a dependent module you call, or a it's a dependent module. Dependent module means what?
It will depend on other modules.
Dependent module on other modules like
MM.
FI,
Yes.
like SD, okay,
SD.
like that. Okay, so means
Okay.
if you want to have the like FI, they have to set up the company code, everything, controlling area, company code, everything. People will set up the what called materials and purchasing row, purchase organization, everything. Like SD, if it related to milestone billing, they will have to involve. So majorly organizations, unless these people set up the organization structure, so we will not be
Okay.
able to do any transaction in CJ20 because
Okay.
what happens? We want the what called we want that organization structure to be set up. Then only we will be able to proceed. Okay. So that organization structure like plant, company code, plant, purchase organization, storage
Yes.
location, like those things, everything will be set up from the respective module. Okay.
Okay.
So we will also set up the respective module configuration for our PS module. Okay,
Okay.
understanding. So now you can just see here. So this is a CJ20N screen. This is the existing project. Okay, these existing projects. So these are existing project which I have used for my old testing cases. Okay, let me double click on this. What has happened now? The project got opened. Okay,
Project dot. Yes.
now if you remember, what is this?
WBS element.
You are aware about this word, right?
Yes. 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 Work breakdown structure.
Yeah. Where you were in the recent calls, we were discussing on the same WBS project definition. You remember system status,
Yes. Yes.
user
Yes.
status. This is the coding mask. Okay, this is the structure numbering. Now this is the coding mask. This is a
Okay.
description of the project. This is a project
Okay.
definition screen, and you see here I said controlling area,
Controlling area,
company code,
company code, business
plant,
area, plant,
profit center,
location.
currency, start date, finish date, control data. If I click on this, if you see, you are seeing project profile. You remember project profile, budget
Yes. Project
profile,
profile,
investment profile,
investment
investment
profile,
profile, result
invest
analysis key, network profile, scheduling profile,
profile.
and
Okay.
it is evaluated or non-evaluated stock like that.
Okay.
If I click on WBS, what happens? WBS element. This is a WBS element. Description of the WBS element, like project type of the project, priority of the project, and operative indicators. You remember planning element, account assignment element, billing element.
Billing.
We were discussing applicant name, person responsible, responsible cost center, required company code. And if I click on the assignment, same thing,
Yeah,
billing
company.
area, company code. These are all details we had discussed in the calls. Remember?
Yes, yes.
You are, I think you should get a clarity what all we were discussing. Correct.
Yeah.
Now, so these are the things that are the basics that you should be aware. Okay.
Okay.
Next, why this project system is required. Okay. What happens now? This project system, into this project, I have created a project. Okay. Now, if I click on this control data, you can see the project profile. Okay. Remember, this are all the project profiles. What is the
Okay.
use of project profile? What is the use of project profile? Any idea?
Oh, no, bro.
If I go
It
to
will help for.
see, this
Okay.
okay, leave it. This is the SPRO transaction. SPRO transaction is mainly required for configuration. Okay. Now
Okay.
you see here, you see everything has got come right here. You see here, budget profile, planning profile, and if you click on this basic data, you have these are how these are all come in the system. How these are all already available in system. This all
Yeah,
things
these
need
are
to be configured.
someone configured.
Yeah, in the SPRO, if I click on enter, you see SAP reference IMG, click on this.
Mm-hmm.
So here, as I said, enterprise structure, definition,
Infrastructure definition,
finance, company,
finance, company,
company code,
mm,
controlling area, CO people will set up, and logistic,
logistics,
WM module will set up, SD person will set up, MM person will set
logistics,
up this, logistic execution, same warehouse management person, plant maintenance, whatever it is required. Then as per that, they will assign the respective hierarchy, company code to company code to
mm,
credit controlling area assignment, assign the plant to the company code. So like that, these are all the organization structure and assignments, everything to be done so that we will be able to use it here. Okay.
okay.
Understanding? I'm telling you
Yes, bro. Yes.
now. So similarly, same thing. After that, these are all basic understanding is done. So like a sales order, they will assign people, they will assign purchase ownership to company code like that. Then everything is done. What happens later? Now the module specific it will come. Now you come back here and material management is the first module which they will use for their configuration. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now what happens? These are people will set up. Their module specific. Okay, like that we have to come to our project system. Okay,
Okay.
so this is a project system module. So we have so
Structures.
operative structures, WBS, network, milestone,
Milestone.
milestone usages. Remember we were
Yes,
discussing
it's different milestone usages. Yeah.
usages, network user status, settings for network traffic, network type, parameters for network type, network profile, number range for network, validation, substitutions, and a project profile, then a coding mask, project coding mask structure, WBS user status profile, and project type. Then we will go down to settings for network activities. Then we'll not for, come down and going for maintain validation substitution. So milestone is done. Then if I go for cost, we have budget, CJ30 budget, and we have planned cost planning. You remember manual cost planning, detailed cost planning, unit cost planning. Automatic cost planning related to the network. Remember
Yes, yes.
types of cost planning: easy cost planning. Easy cost planning, like we have costing variant, we have to create, then we have to do for the derivation rule, those things. And then budget, maintain budget profile. You remember when you click on the budget profile, if I double click on this, we have past date, future date, activity type, overall, whether it is overall, whether it is released. And if I click on this help button, you can see availability control. Remember, overall budget release indicator, overall tick, indicator, overall tick and release tick. It is overall budget released, like that we discussed. Remember these things?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, bro.
So you are able to see what all the things we discussed, and decimal, total values, annual values. So okay, let me go back. Go back. We have dates, scheduling, date planning, scheduling type, and network scheduling. Specify parameters for network scheduling. So then, okay, this is actual revenue, planned revenue, maintain value categories. Okay. So majorly we will be working on this. Okay. Remember what all things we discussed, right? Like majorly into project, WBS, majorly a project and WBS and networks and activities, like that. If I'm opening
Milestone.
project profile, if there is a create project profile, click on this. If I try to double click on this, see, this is a project profile. Okay, you remember the project profile, right? So
Yes,
project
yes, yes.
profile, we have these fields. Okay, so these are the WBS substitution validation to be assigned and organization data. These are all controlling area data, everything. This company code, company, everything, and planning and W controlling. We have, it is a production type of project, planning profile, budget profile, and investment profile, everything, settlement profile, everything. Understanding what I'm telling you? These are
Yes,
all
bro.
things which we saw it previously, but we need to
Mm.
understand in depth what exactly it is. Okay, you are able to recall the things what all we discussed, right? So basically this project profile will default the values. Okay, so when you
Okay.
select there, okay, when you select this one here, when I'm trying to create a project, when I select this one, whatever the details are there related to these details, related to these details and these details, which are maintained here, which are maintained here, will
Okay.
come copied to the project. Okay,
Okay.
understanding?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So what I'll do, CJ20, and I'll try to go once again. CJ20. See, this is the create button, okay, for the project.
Okay.
See, if you want to open any existing project, you can open, click on this. If you want to create a new project, you can click on this. Click on
Okay.
this, click on project.
Mm.
Like if
Mm.
you want to check anything available, click on this. Click on OK. So these are some of the projects
Existing project. Okay.
available. What we will do, we will try to create, copy one and click on search button. See, now for this project existing, next number range is 15. Okay,
Okay.
this is a series. When I click on this and try to search one, it is saying you have to take this one, next one. Okay,
Okay.
so when I'm trying to see S dash 003, if I try to enter, okay, it is already existing, so it will not allow, already exist. Okay, understanding what I'm
Okay.
telling you? If I put it 15 also, 14 also, it will not allow, so it is saying already
Okay.
existing.
All exist. Okay.
If I put 15, it will also, it will allow, it is
It
allowing.
will allow.
And
Yes,
now
yes.
project profile, if I click on this and try to select our project profile, whichever we have created, Swapnil, if I try to click and click on enter,
Okay.
okay, See here, these details are already copied. Correct.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what is the required full time unit is time unit is day. So let me put it like this. Business area enter. Enter. Okay. See here, control data budget profile is pulled, planning profile is pulled. If you open the project profile for Swapnil, if you can just see here, Swapnil, it is there here. Okay. If I
Okay.
double click on this, see here, controlling, see these two is copied. Correct. Swapni
Yes, yes.
S22, if you see here, is copied. Huh?
Test. Yes, yes. Budget profile. Test 22.
So understood?
Yes, bro. Okay.
Okay. So majorly process end to end or process, we have basically like three types of project. One is, remember anything?
Yes, bro. End-to-end implementation.
Projects I'm talking. That is implementation,
Implementation and
capex,
support project.
opex. Mm. First is capex, that is the capital project or investment project.
Okay.
Second is mm, revenue, that is customer projects.
Okay.
Third is opex, that is operational projects.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, in case of, I'm just telling you this briefly, okay, so that you will understand. So
Okay.
if required, we will go deep on that. And as per that, so basically, we don't work on this OPEX. OPEX means same thing. Like I will tell you what it is. Like operational means like a maintenance, like already existing project. We have maintenance like electrical, power usages, expenses for labor, everything. There's an operation expenses. Okay,
Okay.
understanding. So investment project means we are investing. We are investing within the company, within the company, like majorly we it will mainly involve like infrastructure investment with respect to investment or investing for the projects and their planning and their budgeting, everything we have to plan what is the total amount of investment happening,
Okay.
everything. Okay, so basically we don't have anything related to the revenue part. There won't be any customer or any billing or anything will not be coming to picture. Okay, no customer will be involved. Okay, means there is no like understanding, there is no selling or nothing like that. It is investing
Okay.
for our,
Only
we are
investment.
only investing for our own infrastructures.
Okay.
So basically on that way. Okay, like here we have basically the customer, we have customer, we will be involving We will work for the projects for the customer. We will build project project for customer and get the revenue. Okay.
Okay. Build the project for customer.
Like majorly maintenance projects. Okay. Majorly maintenance projects. Maintenance means like right? Like as I said, power
Mm.
power consumption, labor consumption,
Mm.
salary, like that. So we will be maintaining those types of project applications, operational projects or overhead projects we call. Okay, na? Operational
Yes.
overhead projects we call. Mm. And so what you will do, you will have a server, right?
Yes. Yes. Sir.
So you have to go for CJ20N. Go
Okay.
for CJ20N. Click on this create button.
Okay.
You want to click on this, and try to select here. Try to OK here. There are some of the project that will come. Okay, select the
Okay.
project. Click on OK and look at the projects. Click on this. It will be coming overall. This one. Okay, now complete drill down report. Okay. If you click on
Okay.
this, it will completely drill down the project. Okay. Now so now you see here, for an existing, I'm just explaining you. See like this, there is one of the project that is available. See here, some base transmitter station. The project name is okay.
Okay.
This is the first level WBS. Okay, main WBS, first level WBS.
Okay.
So under this we have created
Planning and preparation.
second level WBS, planning and preparation.
Okay.
Okay, under that there is one more WBS, technical
Technical plan.
planning. Under that, this is the network. Under the WBS we will set up the network. Okay,
Okay.
under the network we will set up the activities. Okay,
Okay.
internal activities. This is an internal activity. If I click on this, it is an this is also an internal activity. Okay,
Okay.
now there is one more WBS. Click on this. There is one more WBS, site survey and acquisition. Double click
Again,
on
that
this. This is also an internal activity the
WS.
under the WBS. Okay, okay. And similarly, you have one more internal activity. What is this? This is the
Milestone
under the
activities.
activity. They have created a
Milestone.
milestone. Then there is one more WBS called installation. So under that there is one activity for internal one. There is one more WBS called quality and acceptance. Under that there is one more activity. It is internal activity. Okay. So if I click on this and try to click on right click and try to create, I can create network. Click on network. Give some descriptions. Samples. Enter. 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 So see, one network is created. Usually we will create activity under the network. Okay. So under the
Okay.
create network. So we have internal external activity like that. We click on external activity. These are the things. And we have see here we have types of activity: internal activity, external activity, cost activity, service activity. So these are
Okay.
the four types of activities that are available. That you remember when we were discussing.
Yeah, internal activity, external activity. I remember, but activity cost and activity service. I'm not aware.
That I will tell.
Yes. So, bro, in the project, how many WS elements can create? we can create like say number of WPS or
Up to 99 levels we can, 99 levels we can
okay.
create the
We can
WPS.
create 99 WPS elements, right?
So basically you can consider like that. Okay. See,
Okay.
basically what happens, levels, WPS we can like more than like we can create multiple like around um, what I have experienced is like I'm not sure, but see what happens. This is one level, okay, first level WPS. Okay,
Okay.
under this there is a second level.
Okay.
Under this there is a third level.
Okay.
Okay, so these are different levels. One, two, three. Like that,
Okay.
we can create up to around 99 levels of WPS. Okay.
Okay. Bro, I have one question. For first WS level and the second level, we don't have like activity and the network. After the level 3, we have created like network and activities, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. Depend upon that one. Huh? Depend
Okay, okay.
however they want.
Even first level also we have to define, right?
We can
Like we have to
create
create. Okay,
basically first level WBS. We don't create anything. Okay, so it
okay,
will be something like a main WBS. Under that, the second level we maintain the respective WBS. Okay,
okay,
usually.
okay,
So just try to remember, try to make the first level WBS same as the second level WBS, project definition. You try to make this project definition ID na same thing
okay,
for first level also. Okay, then
okay,
you start creating the second level WBS under that activity network everything. Okay,
okay,
so yeah, this is one thing. Um, so we discussed all the types of the project and okay, why this project system is required. Okay, see what happens in this project system. So we create this project, we create the WPS. Okay, and we will be creating a different WPS like initialization, initial preparation, survey and acquisition, installation, quality and accept, and closure, like that. Okay, under
okay,
these each stages we have different types of activity: internal activity, external activity. Like internal activity means machines work, correct? In case of
mm-hmm,
what called manufacturing industry, we have machines, right, that will be working continuously. We have labor. Okay, we
mm-hmm,
have labor coming, we have people coming working. Okay, so if I'm considering this is one of the project, they will try to track what all the things coming into this project, what all the materials, what all the activities, what all are consumed at each level of WPS. They properly plan the project and understand what is the total cost that is being acquired, or that is been getting posted, or that is been used for this type of project. So when they so then what happens, everything they will try to track. See, first initially base, what is this base transmission station? Now it is planning and preparation stage. So technical planning, what all involved technical planning. So there is a calculation, there is a planning of the transmission, everything. So under which what all the types of cost that can be procured, or cost that can be posted, or whatever it is, everything is captured under this. Like this is like 5 lakh of 10 lakh, like that example. So this is total cost is around, total consumption cost related to the activities or WPS, whatever it is about around 10 lakh. Similarly, second stage, what the site survey, we have certain people coming, internal activity, machines are working to dig the, like that, there are like
okay,
multiple works that is happening. And on that particular work, every what all the cost, everything is captured under this. Similarly, under this sum of costs, what all the cost, everything, similar here the sum of the cost is captured. Okay, so everything is captured. What happens, we'll try to settle it and try to settle it as a project. Okay, so we'll try to settle the all the WPS into the main WPS to the main WPS project. So then we will
we
settle.
call it a project.
Hmm?
First on the base transmission, we call it as a project, right? That
Project.
one.
Okay, this is called as project definition or the project
Okay.
ID.
Under the project definition, we have a WS level one, level two, level three.
Yeah,
Okay.
like that. Okay, so that is the thing. So So what you will do, try to create simple projects like this. Okay, so
Okay.
try to like if I click on go back, let me go back, let me click on this create new button, create the project, and I'll try to select this one and try to select this one and click on OK. I select something, click on this, right, me double click on this and try to click on proposed. So now the available is 13, click on OK and try to select a project profile. Certain description if you want, you can give it. It is not there, it is okay, fine, click OK. It is day, okay, enter, enter, space bar you click, it will show the last values. Okay,
Okay.
like that. um, Try to create the project. Okay, if you want to open any existing project, click on this icon and click on OK. There are certain multiple project. Okay, click on this and click on OK and try to analyze the projects. So if you click on this drill down, it will drill down everything. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so like this free clinic, post clinic, study design. So like this phase 2, phase 1, product development, protocol design, CRF design, MD design, like that. There are multiple things that they are showing. Okay,
Okay.
just go through in your server and try to create a project as per these people created. Now try to
Okay.
use, double click and this, let me go back. uh, then click on this control letter, use this pharma, whatever the project profile is there now, try to
Okay.
use the respective call, use the existing one and try to create your own project by copying the project profile. Okay, and by selecting the respective project profile, try to create your project. And meanwhile you try to create the, if possible, try to create the WBS also. Try to create project first and then WBS. Under the WBS, try to create network. Okay, under the network, try to create activities. These are internal activity, external external, internal activity they are maintained. But generally internal external you have to, you can maintain. Okay,
Okay.
understanding what I'm telling you?
Okay. Yes, bro. I
It's
understand.
quite fast, I understand, but these are the main things that I wanted to tell you. This is very important at your stage. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Sure. 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 Understood. Based on the project, the WBS names and all change, right? Based on the project, the
yeah, based on the
WBS also.
project it will change. Okay,
Okay. Yes. 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 Bro.
so yeah, and so basically, and so basically the process follows in case of an investment project. Investment, first is like project, project, second is WBS, third is uh,
Network or activity.
network, and fourth is activities, and under the activity we have material component. Okay, like that we will go on creating. Okay, so
Okay.
try to practice these things today. Probably
Okay.
tomorrow I might not be available. Okay,
Okay.
but try to practice, try to create multiple projects like this. Okay, try to give the
Okay.
description, use existing one, try to create multiple and try to use it. Okay,
Okay. Sure.
okay, we are good, I
Okay.
guess, right? You're understanding some things better.
Yes.